Jerry from Baytown has a question about drywood.
Well, his home was built back in 1958, and Jerry writes to us, the roof decking is shiplap pine, and it's very dry, and the roof nails will split the wood on a fairly regular basis. He says, on my last roof, there are a great deal of nail pops because the wood did not hold the nails. They'd work their way back out, and I'm about to get a new roof installed, he says, and I'm concerned about these nail pops. So, Tom, Jerry wants to know, should he have it pulled off and redeck? Should he just put it over it? Should he get an engineer to look at this thing? What's your advice?
No engineer.
No engineers.
No, if an engineer actually came out and looked at this wood, I mean, he's just stealing from you. He's got more important things to do. No, I mean, it's not necessary. But the roofer has to make a determination.
Okay.
Because let's say Ideal Roofing, Jim Hardwick came out and he knew there would be something wrong with the deck, and he has these long warranties. He's going to tell you, we've got to do something about this before we do it. So you deal with a good roofer, and they'll be able to let you know about that. Now, quite frankly, you would not tear it off because it's holding the whole structure together. Oh. If anything, you would just put a layer of plywood, half-inch plywood right on top. The edge detail will be detailed a little differently with the 1x2 on the fascia. It'd have to be replaced and raised a little bit, but it'll be an easy fix, and that would hold the nails down tight and cover up that dry wood.
You're saying that if he pulls its shiplap off, the house could fall down.
In the 50s and earlier than that, shiplap on the walls and on the roof held the structure together.
So it's like literally a balloon.
Well, I don't know about balloon.
I'm just saying, it's like the skin.
What it was
the
is
skin
a gusset
tension's holding it together.
Yeah, it's a gusset.
Okay.
Like a gusset plate. So it's used a lot in construction. Today, they didn't use all the beams and stuff that we use today in the framing.
Okay.
So it would be part of the header system and everything else. So tearing it apart, everything's going to lose. It's not braced properly.
It's going to go all fish-meckle. Yeah. Don't do that.
So don't take it off, but you can always cover it up.
All right. But don't cover up your questions. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them. Check out these videos over here. And would you please subscribe to our channel?